Welcome back, everyone. I'm super excited to go over more details on Aria Reserve Miami, the tallest twin towers on the waterfront in the United States. A $1.2 billion endeavor set to grace the picturesque city of Miami. Aria Reserve Miami will occupy a prime 5.2-acre waterfront plot, the last of its kind, boasting 550 linear feet along the water in the heart of the city. Their location offers proximity to the finest attractions Miami has to offer, including a 2-minute drive to Wynwood for Art Basel or any other event in Wynwood. Also, 3 minutes to Midtown with its trendy restaurants, 4 minutes to the Design District for luxury shopping, and only 5 minutes to downtown and Brickell. And not to mention a swift 5 to 8 minute drive to Miami Beach, and you have 3 accessible bridges to do that. Moreover, Miami International Airport is just 15 minutes away, ensuring a seamless journey from the skies to your home in the water, featuring the most spectacular views in all of Miami at Aria Reserve Miami's waterfront reserve. As the beautiful city continues to attract 300 new residents daily from around the globe, Miami stands out as one of the world's hottest real estate markets. In the upcoming year, Miami will achieve a remarkable milestone as the only city worldwide to host all 5 major professional sports teams, that being hockey, baseball, basketball, football, and soccer, along with the addition of Formula One in 2022. Their esteemed developers, the Mello Group, renowned for their success in constructing 8,500 units across 25 high-rises in Miami, are crafting their magnum opus with Aria Reserve Miami, the last available waterfront lot of its kind in the city. Collaborating with the best in the industry, their architect is Arquitectonica, with an impressive portfolio spanning 58 countries and 5 continents, including iconic projects like the Microsoft headquarters in Paris and the American Airlines Arena in Miami. Award-winning landscape artist Argio has contributed to their biophilic design. And if you don't know what biophilic means, that basically stands for bio, life, philic, loving, right? So that creates an immersive experience in nature. Wander through hanging gardens, which I find beautiful, lush landscaping, waterfalls, natural stone, wood, marble, and relish the breathtaking water views synonymous with Miami. The interior design and furnishings, meticulously curated by Morata, a design house from Italy, feature high-grade European woods, noble metals, and precious leathers, promising timeless indulgence. At Aria Reserve, they pride themselves on their extensive amenities. Unlike most buildings boasting 10,000 to 40,000 square feet, they offer an impressive 2 acres of amenities, with 1 acre along the waterfront, featuring a waterfront park, dog park, sunrise meditation garden, solarium area, telescope observatory, 2 sunrise pools, 2 sunrise jacuzzis, and a waterfront sports marina. Aria Reserve stands out for its connectivity to the water. Enjoy activities like kayaking, canoeing, paddleboarding, and even jet ski drop-offs. They also offer a waterfront restaurant and are extending the Miami Boardwalk by 550 linear feet, connecting Edgewater to downtown and Brickell along the water. So if you're like me, that you like to go for a walk, for a run, for a bike ride, or jump on a skateboard or any kind of longboard or anything on wheels, you're going to love this. Their 2nd acre on the garden level includes tennis courts, a basketball court, paddleball, a semi-Olympic sized sunset pool, indoor and outdoor gyms, yoga spaces, children's playrooms, a teens lounge, theater, spa, sauna, steam room, massage rooms, barbecue areas, and mini golf. A comprehensive array of amenities to cater to all your desires. Aria Reserve residences feature expansive terraces ranging from 9 to 11 feet deep, all oriented towards the water, Every living room and master bedroom enjoys a direct and unobstructed water view, a truly unique feature. They eschew side views, partial views, or building views. The residents experience the best that Miami has to offer. The day unfolds with dynamic water views, including seaplanes, speedboats, and helicopters. At night, relish the enchanting skyline of Miami, providing a 24/7 visual treat at Aria Reserve. All their residences boast 10-foot high ceilings, while penthouse residences feature soaring 12-foot high ceilings. Penthouse options range from floors 57 to 59, with single-story penthouses starting at $3 million and three-story penthouse mansions surpassing 12,000 square feet across 3 floors, equipped with a private summer kitchen, rooftop pool, and interval elevator. The residences span 1 to 5 bedrooms, with penthouses offering 5 to 7 bedrooms. Dual high-speed elevators, mostly private, are a standard feature, and all residences come finished with 2 flooring options and include an office alongside the bedroom for added flexibility. These iconic towers, rising 62 stories on the water in the heart of the city, are destined to be an unmissable addition to the Miami skyline, offering unparalleled views that capture the essence of this vibrant city. So remember, if you have any questions, or if you'd like to go and take a look at this amazing project, let me know. You can always reach me on whatever platform you're watching this, or send me an email at info@santiagoamarino.com. Stay tuned for more.